Now, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Robert Clarke, has advocated the separation of the office of the Attorney General from that of the Minister of Justice for the prosecution of electoral offence. Mr. Clarke spoke against the background of the recent move by the Independent National Electoral Commission seeking the establishment of an Electoral Offences Commission. In an interview with our judiciary correspondent, Shola Shoyele, the senior advocate also applauded the investigation into the unremitted funds from the NNPC to the federal government.
People are under the mistaken impression that it is Lamido Sanusi that is making the allegation. I have known Lamido for over 40 years. I was privileged to know when he started his career. He's a very brilliant man, which I respect his brilliancy. So for people to think that it is his personal opinion, they will be very wrong, because a head or the governor of such an institution must carry his lieutenants along. And I believe whatever statement that Lamido Sanusi is making today is making it on behalf of the central bank. So the accuser today is not Lamido Sanusi, but the central bank. I have also been privileged to know the pedigree of the very beautiful Minister for Petroleum. She has a very good pedigree, a very good background, and a woman of probity. I can say that. Now we have two divergent opinions being generated on a subject matter, whether 20 billion has not been accounted for into the revenue of the country by NNPC, and whether there was a directive or no directive from the president as to the removal of subsidy. I am also gratified watching television proceedings that the chairman of the Senate committee, whom I regard as a highly professional man, and I was very convinced about that, and the questions that he was pushing out, that even though he's a member of the PDP, I believe that at the end of the day, the truth will come out.
The issue of elections and the electoral body INEC, during the week we heard that the National Assembly rejected a move by INEC to establish an Electoral Offences Commission. Do you think that it is a good development?
You cannot investigate a matter and you conclude within yourself that you have a case, and that's what EFCC is doing today. And tomorrow, if you give INEC the same power, they will investigate and they will prosecute, and politics will come in. So the best idea, which I would prefer, is that split the position of the Attorney General into two, let the politicians handle the ministry, and let the professionals handle the Attorney General's post.